Hey everyone, welcome back to Saru Chronicles, your go to place for all things Power BI and data visualization. Ever struggled with comparing multiple categories in your reports? Want to make your data speak visually? Well, today we are diving into one of the most powerful and widely used visuals in Power BI, the clustered column chart. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand what a clustered column chart is, create one step by step in Power BI, customize it for maximum impact, learn when to use it, and avoid common mistakes. So, before we get started, smash that like button, subscribe for more amazing Power BI content, and let's jump in. Alright, so what exactly is a clustered column chart? Simply put, it's a bar chart, but instead of horizontal bars, it uses vertical columns to compare multiple categories side by side. For example, comparing sales revenue across different regions, tracking monthly performance across multiple years, analyzing product demand across different categories. Unlike a stacked column chart, which stacks values on top of each other, the clustered column chart places them side by side, making comparisons much clearer. Sounds cool, right? Let's build one in Power BI. Alright, now let's build a clustered column chart from scratch. Follow these easy steps. Step 1, open Power BI and load your dataset. For example, sales data by region. Click on the clustered column chart from the visualization pane. Drag your category, for example, regions or products, to the x axis. Depends upon you. Drag your values. It can also be sales or revenue to the y axis. Add a legend like year or product type for better comparison. Yes, boom! You have just created a cluster column chart in Power BI. But wait, we are not done yet. Let's make it even better. To make your visuals stand out, let's customize the chart for better readability and impact. We can do anything, so I am going to do a lot of changes, like changing colors, making each category pop with distinct colors, adding data labels to show exact numbers on bars for better insights, adjust axis and sorting, ensure proper scaling and sorting for clarity, enable tooltips to add extra details when hovering over bars. Remember, a well designed chart tells a clear story. So, when should you use a clustered column chart? Comparing sales performance across different regions. Second, tracking revenue trends over multiple years. Finally, analyzing employee performance across departments. Avoid using if you have too many categories, as it can become cluttered. In that case, consider a line chart or a stack chart instead. I think take it as a tip for improving the insights of the charts. And there you have it, the clustered column chart in Power BI. Now it's your turn. Try creating your own clustered column chart and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Saru Chronicles for more Power BI tutorials. Share this with your friends and colleagues. See you in the next one. Happy visualizing.